What is up, guys? It's Dillon here, and this is gonna be my video of putting my Z Motorsport, I'll take it over here, Z Motorsport body kit from a 49,000 Datsun 280zx Turbo 1982. I actually have already started a little bit, taking off my front bumper right here, but I'll show you what I took off already. It's not too far. We're about 8 bolts in, so I figured I'd start a video. But this is my body kit from Z Motorsport, and I'll be showing you guys from start to finish on going through Z Motorsport's instructions here. So first off, we started off with 12mm bolts here. Pretty easy, just take them off right here from underneath. And to make it easy, I just unplugged. You're gonna have a crash sensor here that I just unscrewed out and just put the screw back in. And just unplug our front blinkers, and that'll be the first step. And then next step, you have to undo this Phillips here, and this will release the pressure in your crash or cylinders, and it should make a hissing sound. I already did it on that one there, but it should hiss pretty good. And then once you take the Phillips out, you have to push this all the way back in. So that'll be the first update, and I'll update you guys when I get that done. Hey guys, it's Dylan back here, and I know that I recorded the video in the wrong portrait whatever mode, so I'll make sure to keep it sideways. But I just got done doing the right side. See, it's a little bit turned because I was moving it. But I just got done doing this side, and now I'm gonna do this side for you guys. It's pretty basic. Just kind of beating it with a hammer. If you know you can't kick it or whatever. Just just for my OCD, I line them up pretty straight again. But I'll show you guys here. I'll show you guys that it's nice and put back now, so that your body kit can fit around it. And then you guys actually can keep these, and I'll actually take these off and throw them away or whatever. In case you ever want to put your original stuff back on, maybe when you're selling it or whatever. But that's what I'll probably end up doing when I sell it, if I ever sell it. But the body kit should go around, have a underneath side skirt. You got a bumper that goes back here. I hate these bumpers, so I can't wait to get rid of them. Here's a little shot of my interior. Nice little uncracked original dash, 49,000. So I'll keep you guys updated. Let me check what's next, guys. So I got them all the way pushed in here. When I was putting the screws in, I made sure to push them extra tight. So it's about, I don't know, about a finger width, a little bit more than that. So they're all the way back. So now we are actually going to install this bumper reinforcement here, this bar. So what you're gonna have to do is take these screws off to pull the skin off, the bumper skin. So that's what we're gonna end up doing next here. So I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, well, I got all of the top bolts out, let's see here. But these bottom bolts are posing to be a big challenge here, and I don't really have the right screwdrivers to be doing this. And I got my little impact drill gun over there, but I don't want to strip these because, you know, famous Datsun rust, you don't want to kill them and be stuck. So I'm going to go home and find some WD and hopefully get them loosened up here. Maybe come back with some better screwdrivers. So just a little warning here, be safe, don't grind your screws up and de-thread them or whatever. And when you're doing this stuff, I always like to take my battery off, like with the crash sensor and stuff. You never want your airbag going off on you or whatever. So I usually take that off. That's why earlier when you were looking in the looking at my interior, all the lights were off. But this is my engine bay. I know you guys haven't seen it yet. But pretty much everything's still stock. I went through and redid all the fuel lines a couple years back, maybe 2 years ago. The new alternator, that was a pain. I'm thinking about getting a new radiator because driving kind of fast, water temps do rise a bit, so I might get a new radiator. I have thought about going cold air intake, but I don't know. I haven't seen any good kits yet, so if you guys have any suggestions, lay them down in the comment section. But this is my build, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. And let me know if you guys have any suggestions or things you want to see on a further build. I actually did have a set of wheels that I will put in right now, but they ended up not fitting. Actually, they fit with 2-inch spacers, but I was not a fan. I'm not a big fan of running super thick spacers, so I ended up sending them back, and so I'm looking for a new set. I want to go a little bit wider, maybe 8-inch wheels. These are 6.5. So with some negative offset, I'm hoping that I can find something like that. But Datsuns have the weird 1X, or the 4x1, 143 spec wheels, so it's kind of hard to find them. But let me know. Guys, I am back here, and I just WD'd all of these with Rust Specialist WD-40. So I'm letting these sit here, and I've gone ahead and started trying to take these side pieces off my bumper off here. And it's just 2 Phillips bolts here. And you see I got one left here. Actually, never mind, I've got them off. These are what they look like, and they should just bust off pretty easy. I made sure to go real easy so I don't break them. But that is the update so far. I'm gonna get this off, the rest of this front air damp down, and once I get that done, I can install it onto this. Alrighty guys, this is where I'm gonna end up for the day. I ended up stripping one of the screws on the bumpers, so that'll, over there, I'll let that WD-40 there sit for a little bit, and it already looks 10 billion times better. I'll just add that little horrible front bumper. Anyways, after this, it should go by quick. The front skin should go right on after I take that one off. These bolts here are causing a little bit of pain, so I'm not gonna let that WD sit there for a little while too. Overall, got a little rust in there, but I mean, I'm repainting the car gloss white anyway, so not a big deal. Just some surface rust, nothing too much to worry about. But I'll be taking this off as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and be sure to drop a like and comment down below and tell me what else you guys think I should do. Also got to do a universal joint that I gotta redo, and you guys said not to use Duralast, so I won't. But any suggestions I will be happy to take. And sorry if this video doesn't match up to you guys' quality, but this is my first video, and be sure to subscribe for more Z content.